This is the Earth. Now, let's zoom in a little. A little more. A little more. Oops, too much. Okay, there. This is a sea located in Central Asia, specifically between the southern part of Kazakhstan and northern Uzbekistan. This was once considered as the fourth largest saline lake. It had been surrounded by thriving fishing towns with sprawling cannery that processed thousands of tons of fish annually. It had also supported a lucrative muskrat pelt industry. All in all, provided numerous jobs and supplying the Soviet Union with a sixth of its catch.
But I know what you're thinking. This isn't a desert, and this isn't a lake. This is the Aral Sea now. If it weren't only for the mounds of seashells and the half-dozen marooned fishing boats rusting into the sand, you'll probably guess it really is a desert. The Soviet engineers built an enormous irrigation network, including 20,000 miles of canals, 45 dams, and more than 80 reservoirs, favoring agriculture rather than supply the Aral Sea basin. Unfortunately, the system was leaky and inefficient, but the majority of it was being soaked up by the desert and blatantly wasted. Decades after, the Aral Sea was split into two bodies of water, a northern sea and a larger southern sea. As a result of the drying over the past decades, millions of fish died, coastlines receded miles from towns, and those few people who remained were plagued by dust storms that contained toxic levels of sodium chloride. This story isn't pretty. This isn't a fairy tale. This story never ended with a Prince Charming or a magic incantation that can bring back time. No. This was a disaster.